क्वेश्चन 2 सिंप्लीफाई। यहाँ पे हमारे पास दो ब्रैकेट है, दैट इज 2a प्लस b एंड 2a माइनस b। सो यहाँ पे हम दो फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे, दैट इज a प्लस b द होल क्यूब एंड a माइनस b द होल क्यूब। लेट्स अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला। नाउ विल सॉल्व इट सेपरेटली। फर्स्ट वी अप्लाई 2a plus b the whole cube. We'll solve 2a plus b the whole cube with this formula. So 2a plus b the whole cube. यहाँ पे a is 2a and b is b. So when you apply this formula, you get 2a the whole cube plus 3 into 2a the whole square into b plus 3 into 2a plus b the whole square plus b the whole cube. Now over here we'll solve this. We get 2 ka cube is 8. This will be a cube. This will be 2 ka square will be 4 and this will be square into b plus 3 into 2a into b square plus b cube. So therefore 8a cube plus 3 into 4 will be 12a square b plus 3 into 2 is 6a and b square plus b cube. Now we'll solve the second bracket, that is 2a minus b the whole cube, which we get as 2a the whole cube minus 3 into 2a the whole cube into b, sorry this will be square, plus 3 into 2a into b square minus b cube. So यहाँ पे ध्यान रखना कि यहाँ पे ये a जो है 2a बनता है और b जो है b होगा. So 2a cube will be 8a cube. Now it's the same thing what we had. So this will be indirectly 12a square b plus, and this will be also directly it will be 6ab square minus b cube. So we solved both the bracket. अभी एक्सप्रेशन के हिसाब से, क्वेश्चन के हिसाब से इन दोनों ब्रैकेट के बीच में माइनस है. सो वी विल राइट इट टुगेदर विद अ सबट्रैक्शन इन बिटवीन. सो 2a plus b the whole cube minus 2a minus b the whole cube, which is equal to, we'll write this 8a cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square plus b cube. This becomes your first bracket, जो कि है 2a plus b the whole cube. Then minus, I'll write it down. It will be 8a cube. There's a minus 12a square b plus 12ab square minus b cube. Okay. Now, अभी इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए we'll open the bracket. Okay. When we open the bracket, 8a cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square plus b cube minus 8a cube. अब जब ये माइनस ब्रैकेट के अंदर चला जाएगा, when you open this bracket, so this minus and this minus will be your plus, and the minus and the plus will change to, so we'll write 12a square b, और ये minus plus will change to minus, and we get 12ab square, and this minus minus will be plus b cube. So now you have to check कि क्या कैंसिल कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे. We can cancel 8a cube, right? We can cancel 12ab square, and over here, okay wait, what mistake we have done? यहाँ पे 6 होना होता है, sorry. So यहाँ पे 6, so I made it mistake हो गया यहाँ पे. Just change it to 6. So plus 6ab square minus 6ab square. So ये कट हो जाएगा. So you're left with 12a square b. Now ये कैसे कैंसिल हुआ? क्योंकि 8a cube यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव था और एक 8a cube था वो जो नेगेटिव था. यहाँ पे भी 6ab square पॉजिटिव था, यहाँ पे भी 6ab square नेगेटिव था. So it will be 12a square b. You're left with 12a square b plus b cube जो फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट से. सेकेंड ब्रैकेट में से you're left with over here 12a square b and plus b square, b cube, sorry. So this will be 12. अभी यहाँ पे देखोगे तो इसका जो वेरिएबल है, that is a square and b is same. So you can add this. So 12 plus 12 will be 24 a square b. B cube plus B cube will be 2 b cube. So that becomes your final answer. Second question, सेम क्वेश्चन है, बस वेरिएबल अलग है, यहाँ पे आर के है, यहाँ पे भी आर के है. We'll apply both the formulas before solving both the bracket together. We'll solve it separately. 3r minus 2k the whole cube. So we'll apply the formula, the first formula. Sorry, it's minus. So we'll apply the second formula. So it's 3r the whole cube minus 3 into 3r the whole square into 2k plus 3 into 3r into 2k the whole square minus 2k the whole cube. Just make sure that 3r stands for A and 2k stands for B over here. So 3r the whole cube. So 3 ka cube will be 27r cube minus, now over here, this will be 9r square into 2k plus this will be 3 into 3r into 4k square minus 2 ka cube will be 8 cube. Now we'll multiply the middle terms, 27r cube minus, now over here, this will be 9r square into 2k plus this will be 3 into 3r into 4k square minus 2 ka cube will be 8. So now we can multiply the middle terms over here. So we'll get 27r cube minus 3 9s are 27. 27 into 2 will be 54r square k plus 3 into 3 will be 9. 9 into 4 will be 36r k square minus 8k cube. Now similarly, for the second bracket, we'll get the same terms. The only difference will be the sign. So we can write the first step, that is 3r the whole cube plus 3 into, that is 3r the whole square into 2k plus 3 into 3r into 2k the whole square. This is my k plus 2k the whole cube. Now the second step, we can write the multiplication of the terms over here in the middle. So we get 27r cube plus 54r square k plus 36r k square plus 8k cube. So now we'll write the bracket together with the plus sign. So when we write it together, some terms will get cancelled. So we'll write the bracket 27r cube minus 5r square k plus 36r k square minus 8k cube. So this becomes your first bracket. In the second bracket, that is the 3r plus 2k the whole, sorry, this is cube over here. So write it, we get 27r cube plus 54r square k plus 36r k square plus 8k cube. Now when you open the bracket, you get 27r cube minus 50, this 54 over here, 54r square k plus 36r k square minus 8k cube plus this will be 27r cube plus 54r square k plus 36r k square, and I'll write over here as 8k cube. So in the second step, next step, 54r square k and 54r square will get cancelled. Then 8k cube and 8k cube will get cancelled. 27, you're left with 27r cube plus 27r cube, 27r cube and 27r cube plus 36r k square plus 36r k square. So 27 plus 27 will be 54r cube plus this will be 72r k square. Therefore, this becomes your final answer. Third question. So हमारे पास दो bracket है. We will solve this similarly like we solved first and second. So we'll apply the formula. पहला bracket is 4a minus 3. We'll solve it separately. So यहाँ पे 4a जो है वो a हो जाएगा और 3 जो है b हो जाएगा. So we'll apply the second formula here. So 4a the whole cube minus 3 into 4a the whole square into 3 plus 3 into 4a into 3 the whole square minus 3 the whole cube. So 4 का cube will be 64a cube. This will be 3 into 16a square into 3 plus 3 into 4a into 9 minus 9 का cube is 27. So 64a cube minus, will multiply the middle terms, that is 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 16 is, you get 144a square, plus 3 into 9 is 27, 27 into 4 is, you get 28, 108a minus 27. So this is your first bracket. Let's see the second bracket. So second bracket का फर्क is only the sign over here. So that is 4a cube, so that is 3 into 4a square into b plus 3 into 4a into b square plus b cube. Sorry, so the b cube will be over here as 3 and 3. You get a similar equation but with a different sign. So you get over here 64a cube plus you get 144a square. यहाँ पे 3 डालना plus you get 108a plus 27. Now दोनों ब्रैकेट के बीच में सब्ट्रैक्शन है, so we'll subtract both the equations. 4a minus 3 the whole cube minus 4a plus 3 the whole cube. So the first bracket will write 64a cube minus 144a square plus 108a minus 27 minus, write it down, 64a cube plus 144a square plus 108a plus 27. Now when you open the bracket, you get 64a cube minus 144a square plus 108a minus 27. So जब bracket open करोगे तो आपको 64a cube minus 144a square. So this minus will get inside this bracket. The minus plus will change to minus, minus plus will change to minus, and this will get 108a minus 27. Now check whether things are getting cancelled. Like 64a cube will get cancelled. यहाँ पे minus 144a square है और minus 144a square है. So that will get add. So that is same sign will get add. 108a, 108a, so you get cancelled. Minus 27, minus 27, minus 27, minus 27. So minus minus will be plus. You get 8, 8, 2, 288a square, and this you get as 54, and this will be minus 288a square because the sign will be of bigger number. So you get minus 288a square minus 54, and that is your final answer. Fourth question, दो ब्रैकेट दिया गया है. We'll solve it similarly as first, second, third, fourth. We'll apply both the formulas. 5x minus 7y the whole cube, which is equal to 5x the whole cube minus 3 into 5x the whole square into 7y plus 3 into 5x into 7y the whole square minus 7y the whole cube. So when you solve this, you get 125x cube minus 5 into 5 will be 3 into 5, 25x square into 7y plus 3 into 7, 5x into 49y square minus this will be 343. अगर आपको याद रहेगा तो पिछले सम में भी हम लोगों ने 7 क्यूब ढूंढा है, so the answer which we get as 343 y cube. Now we'll multiply the middle terms. So 125 x cube minus 25 into 7, which we get as 25 into 7, we get as, we'll write the variables first, x square and y. We get 5, 3x, 175 plus 3 into 49 into 5, we'll write the variable first, x into y, y square, and 5 into 49 will be, into लिखने का जरूरत नहीं, so this will be 5245 minus 343 y cube. Now 125 x cube minus इन दोनों को जब हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, so हमें 5, 1 gets carry and you get 2, and this will be 525 x square y plus 3 into 5 will be 15, 1 gets carry 37 x y square minus 343 y cube. Now let's solve the second bracket. Second bracket का terms भी same हो गए, multiplication भी same हो गए, but we'll write the first step according to the formula. यहाँ पे into आएगा minus 7y the whole cube. Now the terms will be same, so the 5x cube will be 125x cube plus इनको जब हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमें 525x square y मिलेगा प्लस इनको जब हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमें 735xy square मिलेगा माइनस, सॉरी दिस शुड बी प्लस हो गया, यस इट शुड बी प्लस 343y cube. नाउ हमारा दोनों ब्रैकेट सॉल्व हो गया, सो विल ऐड बोथ दिस ब्रैकेट, सो 5x minus 7y the whole cube plus 5x plus 7y the whole cube equal to, so this will be 125x cube minus 525x square y plus 735xy square minus 343y cube. दोनों को प्लस करेंगे, so this will be 125x cube the second bracket plus 525x square y plus 735xy square minus 343y cube. Now when in case of plus you don't need to open the bracket, आप ऐसे भी कैंसिल कर सकते हो, जैसे 5 minus 525x square y and 525x square y, so this both will get cancelled. Then यहाँ पे प्लस आएगा, sorry to write minus हो गया, yeah. So minus 343y cube and plus 343y cube, ये भी cancel हो जाएगा. So you are left with 125x cube and plus 125x cube, फिर 735xy square and 735xy square. So when you add this both, दोनों का वेरिएबल सेम है और पावर भी सेम है, क्यूब है दोनों का, so you can add this. So this will be 0, 5 to x cube plus, जब इसको ऐड करेंगे so you get 0, 7 and 14 x y square. So this becomes your final answer.